Hello everyone, let's see how to disable downloading for share Excel file. So first open your OneDrive in your web browser, go to the right hand side bottom and in taskbar click on the OneDrive icon, then click on the view online and your OneDrive you are open in web browser. Then to share any Excel file, simply right click on the Excel file, click on the share option and here first add the email address of person, so I just add here Kriya email ID. Then right hand side you can see pencil icon, click on this drop down arrow and here you can give the permission to can view or can edit. So I click on the can view and here in this add message box you can add any message and top side right hand side sharing settings option available, click on it, the link work for you can select the any one. You can add here the more settings, set the date, set the passwords, and here I'm sharing a screenshot where you can block download option. Please note that if you are using a personal Microsoft account, this option may not available. The block download feature is generally available only for a work or school accounts. So you can check here the right hand side the screenshot. So here also not showing the block download option. After select the block download, click on the apply, then click on the send. You can share the link also and just click on the send also. And it's done. So it's done. I just closed this dialog box and this is the way you can disable downloading for share Excel file. So hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.